Hey guys, welcome to my room tour. I am going to have to talk through everything pretty quickly just because the lighting's really nice right now, but it won't be in a couple minutes because the sun's about to head over behind my neighbor's house. But for the full effect, I want to show you guys what my room looked like before I decided to change it up. We had purple walls. It was a time, it was a moment. I had these walls for the majority of my time in this room. I decided to go with like a white and black accent color theme. Not a huge fan. I don't think it looks very good. It's very hard to maintain. But the biggest thing that changed my room from then to now is the wall color. I decided to go with kind of like a pale, almost white, it's kind of an off-white yellow color, and it changed the whole vibe of the room. Okay, so starting off on this side of my room, I've got my bulletin board and my shelf. Fun story about this shelf, it's actually 3 drawers for like cabinets stacked on top of each other. My dad had some left over from work, and I needed a shelf, so we decided to just kind of put them together, and it was the perfect size for this space. And I really like the wood, the color of the wood. There's a lot of different kinds of woods in my room, which I personally like. I think it adds to the room. So yeah, and then this bulletin board I thrifted. A lot of the things in my room are thrifted, but what's been on this board has changed so many times, and I think I'm finally happy with what's on here. I just got some really cute pictures and like memories, and I think that's what I want on there. Then moving to the top part of my shelf, I've just got some like knick-knack things. I don't know, my jewelry tray, it's in this like really cute cat catch-all dish, and then I've just got like my masks hanging off the side, some sanitizers, earrings. I actually made this clay earring holder, which I'm pretty proud of, and then some nail polish and pothos. I've got a lot of plants in my room, and all of the pothos in my room are actually propagated from one parent pothos that's actually in the living room, so that's a little fun fact. And then moving down, I've just got like my sunglasses, like hair things, scarves, and then moving down I've got like my prayer stuff, some things I'm trying to sell, not the hats but the things under, and then some shoes. These are not all my shoes, and I have yet to find a way to store all of my shoes. I think I want to get like a little shelf, like another shoe shelf or something, and keep them all in my room. So I'm gonna put you somewhere you can see my dresser. Maybe here? You can see the back of me though, that's kind of unsettling. Let's move you here. Like that. Perfect. You can still see the back of me, which is kind of uncomfortable, but we'll deal. So this is my dresser. I've had it for basically my whole life. It used to have this purple paneling on the drawers, but me and my sister got some contact paper and just put it on top. It was super simple, and it kind of made a huge difference in the way that this piece looks. I've just got some painted Polaroids I did across the top, and then on this side I've just got this macrame thing from Simon's, and it's got some dried lavender in it, which I got from the grocery store. And then on the top, I've got a ton of products that I think I use about like 85% of these products on a daily basis, but I definitely should clean it out, and I just haven't. And then I actually have these little catch-all dishes that I made for the purpose of like organizing this area of my room. This one's a checkerboard one, and I think checkerboard is such a pretty pattern. I don't know, I think it's super cool. And yeah, so these were fun to make. And then I also made a little peachy oval kind, so that's fun. Oops. Then I've just got some clips here, and then this little globe thing I've had for a really long time, and it makes some music. Cute. Anyways, I guess she'll be going off in the background. And then on the other side of my dresser, I've just got my makeup products. I got this organizer, I think, from Winners, and it's been great just keeping everything clean. And then this mirror is actually thrifted, and I also made this little catch-all dish, which is fun. This is the first one I actually tried making, and it turned out really cute, so I kept making them. And it just has some rings I also made. So that's that for my dresser. I almost forgot to talk about my totes. They just hang out on the outside of my closet, which unfortunately I will not be opening because it's extremely full. It's packed to the brim. But this one I actually got, I didn't buy it. It was at the thrift store. They gave it to me to put my clothes in, and I think it's my favorite tote bag ever. I might have to like go to London and get a new one, but it's just a UAL tote, and it's the cutest thing ever. It's kind of breaking right here, but I might do some reinforcing stitches and fix that. Okay, so moving on to my bed area. There's a ton to talk about here. We'll start off with like my bedding, I guess. I've got two throws. The first throw, this is just from Simon's, and then this one is from Winners as well, and I just like the texture it brings to the room. And then my bedding's actually from IKEA. I think they still sell this style, and I think it's super cute. And then I've got this stuffy that I've had for ages. His name's Harry. And then all of my cushions are from different places, I guess. These two are from Simon's. I really like the color of this. It matches the carpet I have down there. And then my sister actually made me this pink one. And this one I got from Bath & Beyond, I believe. Now I guess we can talk about my favorite part of my room, which is this area right here. We can start and then move our way up, but on this side I've just got some old books. There are a lot of children's books. They're not necessarily like any favorites or anything, but just stuff I've collected over the years. These are the two books that I'm reading right now. Mostly just this first one, Where the Crawdads Sing by Delia Owens. Got this for my birthday, and my beautiful friend annotated it, so I was really excited to start reading that. And then I've also been reading Agatha Christie's The Murder of Roger Ackroyd. It's a mystery. I love mysteries, but I don't know, it's been hard to like get into, I think, because the style of writing is like an older style, so it takes some thinking to read. And I've just got like some earbuds, and my phone is charging. On this end, off the top, I've got a little candle. It smells so good. I got it for my birthday a couple years ago now, and it's just my favorite scent. And I've just got this bamboo in a glass bottle and my Himalayan salt lamp. That one's actually from Winners and it was only $15 and it's super beautiful in like the night. Really sets the tone and it's calming. I really like her. And then this lamp I actually thrifted I think a year ago, and it works great. It's nice and I love the gold and like the style. I think that's a fun style. Then we can move on to this side. I've just got some decoration books. I have read these two. I haven't read this one, but it is by Charles Dickens, so maybe I should give it a read. And then this is just an old film camera. It still works. I'm just still learning how to take pictures on it. It's a manual, so it's a little bit of a learning process. And I've got some rocks and a little candle. I actually made this candle holder from clay a couple weeks ago now. And then moving on to what's on the wall, I got this frame ages ago. I thrifted it and I didn't know what to put inside of it, but I knew that I wanted it to fill the space until I found this print. It's from Studio 6 and I ordered it probably the end of summer. Came in September, which is kind of a long wait, but it was worth it. I think it's super cute and it really like ties my room together nicely. This is a Van Gogh poster I got from the Van Gogh exhibition that they had in my city. Yeah, I think it's super cute and I love the colors of this piece. It's actually not my favorite piece by Van Gogh, but I think all of his pieces are really beautiful. And then moving up top, I've got this little checkerboard canvas that I painted. I really wanted to tie more checkerboard into my room, so I made that piece specifically for my room. And then down here I've just got a print. I think this is Seattle, and my dad took it on our other film camera, so super cute. And that's that for my favorite part of my room. Okay, the lighting's terrible here, but on the other side I've got a couple more frames hanging on my wall. This is actually the first thing I hung up, and she stayed the same since. I don't know if I want to change it or anything, but this print up here is thrifted. I think it's taken in Tunisia, and it's got like a little mosque in the middle. This is something I made in art class in high school. I think it's super cute. Basically, we had to create like a film negative using different materials, and this is just the photo that I chose to like base my print off of. And I think this is actually a really famous photo, but it's kind of my take on it. And then this is just a film picture of my cat that I took, and I think it's one of my favorite pictures I've taken ever, so really special to me. And then these blinds I've actually had in this room since we moved here. They're just white drapes and I think they're really pretty. They are really flowy and soft. Okay, so I apologize, it's so dark. The sun is almost left, so I might have to film the rest of this tour with a light on, maybe my lamp, so I apologize for that. But this side of my room is I try to keep it cat safe. I try to keep my whole room cat safe, so that's why a lot of the plants are like up on high things or hanging from the walls, and so that's what. But this is just my nightstand. It's like the same set as my dresser, and on it I've got one book, Pride and Prejudice, and then I've got, I guess 2 books, and then I've got some photo albums just filled with the film photos I've taken over the years, my favorite ones. And they're just in these little albums. I think I might have to actually go and get another one because this one's almost full. Okay, so I had to turn on my light, so the lighting's a little off. I apologize, but we are almost done. I've just got one part of my room and then that's it. Okay, so moving down over here, I'm sorry, I'm a literal shadow. But here I've just got my art tray, I guess. I've got just a lot of knickknacks for all of my little projects. I got paint, clay, different canvases, camera stuff, things like that. Then over here I've just got my guitar. I wanted to play guitar for a long time and I just never could. I didn't have the time or the patience. And then moving down, I've got my little stuffy here, and I've also got this little wicker basket which I can open, and I've just got storage stuff in there. Moving on to my desk, I've just got a whole bunch of different plants on the top part. I think this is a philodendron, this is also a philodendron, and this is just a spider plant. Then I've got some rocks, random things, and my little froggy that I made out of clay. Then just on my shelf, again, like books, my art, sketchbook stuff, things, little knick-knack stuff, and just a lot of stuff. And then this side of my wall, I have a whole bunch of different art. I've got 2 film pictures I took a while back. I made that painting. I don't know where it's from actually. I think I took it off a picture from Pinterest. Then these 2 photos right here are actually, I cut them out of Aritzia bags if they look familiar. I think they're both by a photographer named Jamie Hawksworth, I think. And then this is just a sand dune painting that I made and another film picture I took. And then one of my favorite pieces in my room is this mirror. I thrifted it a while back, and it's just a really pretty gold framed mirror, and I love it a lot. But that's that for my desk, because the battery is going to die. And then quickly, I guess I'll just mention the back of my door. It's super messy. I've just got some of my hats, some jackets, and like more hats and like mittens and bags there. Got some cute little handbags. And that's kind of it for my room. I hope you guys enjoyed. I know this ending is pretty abrupt. My battery's going to die, so I apologize. But yeah, if you like this video, give me a little thumbs up, maybe subscribe, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Take care.
Sitting in silence, we still feel the vibe, but you could not say a word, and I know what you just decided. We'd be right in the same wave. All the water's perfect.